Hi, my name's Eric Klopp, and for my video presentation, I will be going through the steps of how to change a tire if you get a flat. The first step is realizing you have a flat tire. When you realize this, pull to the side of the road and turn on your four-ways so that you don't get hit. Most cars have their spare tire in the back, in the trunk, which is where all your tools will be for the job at hand. Grab your tools and set them off to the side so you know where they are when you go to work with them. The first step is breaking your nuts loose so that you can get the tire off while it's on the ground. The next step is raising the car. Place your jack under the car so you can find the frame rail for secure jacking. Next, use your tool that is provided to jack up your jack. Be sure the jack is in a firm position and that it will not slip from underneath the car. And then raise the car slowly until the tire clears the ground. Once your tire is fully off the ground, grab your wrench and remove your lug nuts. Be sure to set these somewhere that you can quickly grab them to replace them and don't lose them. This next step is very important. Make sure you keep your hands and feet clear from the bottom of the tire in case the jack would slip. Firmly grab the tire with two hands and pull it away and set it to the side. Now come back to your trunk and grab your spare so that you can put on the new tire. Once you have the spare, bring it over and you will line up the four holes on the lugs with the four holes in the tire. Set the tire securely in place and finger tighten your lug nuts again. Grab your wrench and turn the lug nuts tighter. Work in an opposite pattern, that way the tire is tightened evenly. Once your lugs are somewhat tight, not fully tight, lower your jack. When the car is all the way down, the jack will slide out from underneath. Now that the tire is firmly on the ground, go back and recheck all your lug nuts so that they're tight. Now your tire is changed. The last step is to put your tools away and proceed with driving. And that's my short procedural step of how to change a tire when necessary. Thank you.